Hey, what's up everybody? It's DJ Jer here with Shop Time. I am unboxing our new facades that we just purchased. We bought 4 of them for our multi-op, and it is the Mesa DJ booth from ProX, and it's the Mesa MK2. I really like this when I was looking at different facades. I didn't want the same thing. There's like 4 companies in our market that have the same exact facades, and I didn't want to have the same facade as everybody else, but yet we wanted something compact, something that was easy to carry around, and something that looked good. So when I was doing my research, I found this at DJ Expo and just kind of went through all of the components of it. The guy at the booth was actually jumping on the table. He was on the table, walking around on it. It has a built-in table in it, which is really cool because all the time I've got my guys taking tables out of other guys' vans, and then they show up to their event and doesn't have tables. So this one has tables built into it, which is a really nice feature. So I'm going to unbox this. Bear with me. There's a little bit of assembly. I'm going to walk you through some of that assembly and then also kind of show you some of the reasons why I felt that this facade was a good fit for our company and the profile that we're looking for. All right, so first things first, the carrying case. Nice heavy zippers, I like that. I'm gonna open this up. Like I said, this is unboxing it, so it's still in the bag, but there's gonna be some assembly that we're gonna have to do. So here is kind of the top frame. There's a top piece that kind of basically covers around the top side and the front of the actual facade itself. So we're gonna screw these together. We'll get back to this. Without dropping it, there we go. Push this off to the side. And one of the things that I liked, these are actually some really nice bags. They come with a white cover, a white spandex facade, and a black spandex facade. So that's a nice feature. You can actually use this as a glow skirt, which is just putting a nice wash effect up the inside. So we're going to take this piece out. And you can see here, this is the table that's built into the actual unit. Let's see, looks like we've got some Velcro to take off. This is my first time taking this thing apart and working with it, so I'm kind of still learning as well. So I might make some mistakes as we're trying to assemble this. We're going to put the bag off to the side. And this is the top. So we're going to flip this around. That opens up. I'm not sure how the table comes out. Oh, there we go. It pops off. So you can see when this thing's closed up, it's only about 4 inches wide. Because you figure these are 1 inch a piece, about 4 inches. These pieces slide right inside here, which is a nice way to kind of take those off. Come back to that. So this thing is really lightweight. I mean, I can pick this thing up easily with one arm, one hand. Another thing I liked was, I like the fact that these bars are here. Basically, this is for the table. It actually is going to give you 2 different heights that you can put your tabletop on. All right, so now we're going to assemble this. Simple enough. I'll come over there and show you. So these pieces, basically just squeeze this together, and then it's going to pop into these little hinge pieces here. So that's really nice. If you wanted to leave these off, you probably could, but we're going to put them on just for the sake of the scrim that's going to go on there. I'm assuming this is a side. I could be wrong. We're going to find out. So we're going to put this piece on. The nice thing is once it's actually assembled, you're not going to have to do this again. When it closes down, it actually closes down, it all folds up, and it fits inside that bag. Alright, so these pieces, it looks like slide. And maybe you want to put these pieces together first. Yeah, I think I might have to take these back off. Or else let's try this. No, I think I'm going to have to take them back off. Never mind, I got it. I don't got it. We're going to take them back off. Just going to be easier. So, tip number one, make sure you put these together first, and then put them on. And it looks like I have, there we go, angle to angle. And now we'll put this piece in, pop this piece in, pop this piece in, and that piece. Okay, we're going to take this one back off. Angle to angle. And then this part is actually going to slide hinge-wise. It's going to slide in there as well. And now we can assemble this all together. So assembly is really easy. There's no screwdrivers, no real headaches putting all this together. So that's kind of nice. I hate when you get something and you have to have all these different tools and hex screws, and it's such a pain. So this is an easy setup. All right, so now the facade is built, and one of the things with this top bracket here, I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me get the camera up a little bit. Okay, so one of the things about this top bracket is this bracket actually kind of holds the unit all together, and it allows you to kind of make sure that you don't extend these wings too far, because when you put that table on, you're going to want these at a 90-degree angle from that front piece anyways. So now we're going to grab our table, and it's a nice heavy steel table. We're going to put it together. We can just slide these pieces in. Got some wing nuts to loosen up. There we go. Tighten those up. And then I'm guessing the handles probably going to be better to have those away from you, so when you actually deassemble, it's a lot easier to pick this unit up, or this table up. We're going to clip that into place, pull this one in, again 90-degree angle to make the setup a little easier. And there we go. Nope. There. So now we got our table put together, and like I said, the guy before, he was basically standing on this thing. I don't know how much I would stand on it. So now we're going to put the scrim piece on, and we're actually going to save the white one just because I'm in the warehouse and I really don't want to get the white one dirty before we actually get to use this thing. So knowing my luck, this is probably going to have to go on before you actually assemble everything, but from what I remember, there's a bunch of different ties. Yep, there we go. There's a lot of different ties on there, so you actually just put the piece on, and you can actually leave this piece on there. You don't have to take this off every time. If you're a perfectionist like me, you're going to want your guys to take it off, otherwise they're going to beat the crap out of it. So, looks like that. is upside down. Yep. So we're gonna flip. It looks like the ties are gonna go up. See, we're all learning. This is great. That's gonna go on there. And then you can pull the corners. I'll bring the camera over so you can kind of watch what I'm doing here. So the corners are actually going to clip or pull right around there. So you got a nice tight facade look. And then here is the tie, so you can tie it on over the back. And I didn't tie it, but you can kind of see when it's all said and done, you get this nice facade, nice and clean look. Like I said, if you have the white one, you can actually do some lighting inside that, make it a glow facade. But like I said, it's really cool. You got a built-in table, which is really nice. And to me, I think ProX, after all the research I did looking for a facade that's easy to take down, easy to carry, something that looks good, and something that's durable and stable, to me, this was the winner. So again, this is the ProX. Hold on, let me get the name again. This is the ProX XF Mesa MK2. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach me at jeremy@djjershoptime.com or message down below into the YouTube channel. Hope this has been helpful for you guys. Hopefully you guys like this facade as much as I do. And good luck. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.